Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Discord on your Mac. Now for this you can go to Google search, you can type in Discord and then you can go to Discord website. Now once you go to Discord website, here you can see the download option, hit download. Scroll down, here you can see download for Mac. Click on it and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then you will see this screen. Now select Discord and then drag it to applications. Now once done, now open applications and find Discord in the list. Here you can see Discord. Now make a double click on Discord. And now click on open and let the download complete. Now if you have an Discord account, you can enter your email and password and log in. If you don't have, you can register and then you can log into Discord. So this is how you can download, install and use Discord on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.